Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Varlens apps on your Android phone. So the Varlens apps is an all-in-one ultimate pro camera apps that you can use to take a photo with a better quality. So in here, if you want to download, you can just find the Varlens apps on the Google Play Store or App Store. And then here I'm going to just open the Varlens apps. Okay, so there are three tabs in here: library, settings, and also the camera. So yeah, this is the settings. So on the settings you can set the camera like shutter sound, the focus sound, mirror front camera, and others. And on the library this is where the photo will be stored. So let's click on the camera. Okay, so this is the Varlens app camera. You can see it comes with like a retro or vintage filter like this. I love this camera. So I'm going to show you some of the feature. You can take a video or photo on Varlens. This is a photo mode and this is the video mode. So just click on this to change into a video mode. And here you can also see the flash. This one is timer at the top, and this one there are 5 camera mode that you can use: auto, time lapse, light trail, program, and manual. But these two are pro, so you need to join the Varlens or subscribe to the Varlens first before you can use this two. After that, this is the zoom type. So this one is 28, 35, 50, and this is the default 27. And this one's right here, you can see other apps by the Varlens developer. Here the image will be JPEG, and you can change the screen ratio of the image. In here you can see there are lots of options that you can select it like this. And here you can also add some filter by clicking on the filter icon at the bottom. So there are lots of filters that you can freely use in here, but there are also pro filter. There are also preset, and also you can change the lens if you want to. This is anamorphic. This is the default lens. Okay, so you can just take a photo. For example, here I'm going to take a photo like this. Just tap on the shutter, and this is the photo result. So just click on this or go to the library. You can also take a burst photo, so just long press on the shutter and burst photos will be taken. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.